7. Second number, ganun ako na po. Okay, 20. So our equation is 7 plus 20. Hey, now 7 plus 20, now we all know the answer, right? But before I call on your math wizard, I would like to shuffle these numbers first. Now the numbers have been shuffled. Let's now call in our math wizard. Snow. Wow, lovely entrance, guys. Snow. So Snow, your equation is 20 plus 7. So let's just give time for Snow Trainer to review. Tanaw na po nagtuon ba sa nag-review. Nag-TikTok ready. Kasi yan na cellphone. Scroll ba no? Kailangan giniron. Nothing you. Now, Trainer, is Snow ready? All right, Snow, give us your answer. Oh, but Snow picks number 7. Now, did Snow pick the right number? I love this in a shoe. Now, did Snow pick the right number? Yes, Snow. Now, Snow, finish your answer, Snow. Oy, nag-ibon si Snow. Nag-TikTok ra kini gabi ba? Kamu ha, Trainer ha? Huwag mo nag-study, Trainer. Sige, review balik. Alright, now Snow. Give us your answer, Snow. And number 7 plus 20 is equals to 27. Now, let's give a round of applause for our math wizards. No. Hindi ko sure, nagtuon